I think it's time for y'all to normalize telling your friends how toxic they are. I really think so. Because from the many times people would get in relationships or get in an argument with their significant other, there's always that one best friend who's their voice of reason. There's always that one person they're gonna go to. They're gonna explain everything to, and that best friend's gonna agree with everything they're saying, despite them knowing how toxic the friend is. And from that path, they'll be the one giving the toxic friend the pass to be toxic to their significant other. And don't get me wrong, dating somebody who's a cheater, dating somebody who's an abuser, I understand things are not gonna go well mentally. I understand that emotionally speaking, you could be all over the place. But having that toxic person as a voice of reason is what makes it even worse. There is no way that you should call your friend, telling your friend that you're gonna put somebody's car on fire or break somebody's window, and for them to say it's okay. Because by the time the toxic friend get arrested, you won't be in a cell with them. You're just gonna be home crying, acting like you really cared about them. Well, the entire time you could have just told the person, I understand the situation is not exactly what you want it to be, but trust me, you need to let it go. You're gonna need some time for yourself to rethink your options. I do not want you to do anything toxic. Just that simple. But for some reason, your toxic friend's gonna come to you. You already know how toxic they are. You already know how crazy the person is. Instead of telling them they are not supposed to do what they're about to do, you are just agreeing with them. Then you're wondering why the boyfriend, the girlfriend don't like you. That's why. Because they already know from the point they go to you, this is a dead end. They already know from the point they go to that family member, to that friend, it's a dead end. Because whatever they had in mind, they already know you're not gonna stop them. You're not gonna tell them not to act crazy this way. And that's what's wrong with today's society, because so many best friends are gonna be okay to embrace the toxic friend's behavior just because that's their best friends. Despite knowing the danger, despite knowing how crazy it could get, they're just gonna give them the okay to go crazy. So please, normalize telling your best friend, your toxic best friend, they do not need to be doing anything toxic that could actually jeopardize their lives in the process. They need to change that toxic mentality, and you as the best friend is one of the people who can help them do that. On that note, I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. If I've missed something in the process, feel free to let me know in the comments below. Until then, take care of yourselves and each other. Peace.